First of all, sir, thank you very much for giving a time from your busy schedule. And as we proceed further, in the past few months, in the next few months, there it would be all elections fever. And when we talk about election and when we talk about Congress party and all, the name of Alex Sequeira cannot be left behind. And we talk about Nuve constituency. Is Alex contesting? Oh, it is just a rumor. What it is?
It is like this. If the High Command gives me the ticket, what we call ticket, I will definitely consider the idea. And if they want, why not? I will consider. I will contest the elections.
No, but there is also news saying that you have already started your work. You have been started meeting people, going to their house, talking about all these things. So how is this then?
See, I am going about meeting people, but I talk in terms of Congress. I don't talk in terms of Alice.
Ah.
So tomorrow, as I said, should the High Command give me the ticket, it's fine. I will contest. If they don't give me the ticket, I would still be propagating Congress.
It is not that if you don't get a ticket, saying that you will leave Congress and you would contest again. Is it like that?
Definitely no. You see, let's not forget that the last, in 2017, I was denied the ticket. Rightly or wrongly, I was denied the ticket. I didn't contest. I had many people telling me to contest as independent, etc., etc. I didn't contest. So I think I have shown in the past that I did not contest, and I don't see why I should contest against the party this time.
Is it that people have come, local supporters have come forward to you and said, Baba, Alex Bab, why don't you try to contest again to Jogor? Because these people are jumping from one place to another.
It is two ways. After my last election, after being denied the ticket, the last election, in 2017, I said that I would retire from
Correct.
And you will agree with me, I had disappeared. I had gone into hibernation, however you may want to call it, or into slumber as some people call it. Our late Shri Shantaram Naik approached me along with some of my friends, well-wishers, and requested me to get up from my sleep, saying that the party required me, and asked me to come forward and start working again. In fact, I believe you were present. There was a function also to felicitate me in Panjim, which was attended by various leaders of the party. And so I felt that that wound that I had inside sort of got healed. And I thought, since in deference to him requesting, he said, yes, why not? Let's come out. At that time, there was no jumping of 10 people from Congress to BJP. So you can't say that it is because the present MLA defected that I got up. I had got up before that.
Have you informed your high command or central leaders your interest about saying that I want to contest this time?
No, I have never spoken in that language. I have never spoken that language right from my first election.
No, then how your leaders would consider you giving a ticket then?
My leaders know my potential. So when they are considering, I would assume they would also consider. I have not told you that they've given me the ticket.
Yeah, of course. You said
if they offer it, I will consider. Why not?
So you also consider one of among the contestants, one of you who could get a chance to hear in Nuve?
Definitely.
What do you have to say about when you talk about these 5 years and Jana तुका ticket deny केलेली, आयज तुका ticket जेन्ना 5 वर्सां पयलीं तुका ticket deny केलेली आनी जेंका लागून काँग्रेसान ticket दिलेली आयजच तेणेन तें केलें.
म्हणजे
10 जाणांक लागून एकल्याक कोणाक ticket दिली, तो काँग्रेसान येयलो जिखलो, पूण तोच आयज उडकी BJPन मारली. हे काँग्रेसाक आयज गमलें आनी हे काँग्रेसान ताका दिवंक ना तूंच आसपाचो.
म्हाका दिसता हेजे मुखार पार्टी कोणाक ticket जर दिता, they should think 10 times whom they are selecting as their candidate and give it accordingly.
Was it a wrong decision of the Congress that time? Because of that, what what Goans are saying today?
I do not know what are the factors that made the party deny me the ticket,
Huh.
made the party give the ticket to the present sitting MLA.
No,
I
but
do
if-
not know what factors they
But if you were given ticket that time,
I
this
would not
could
have
have
jumped.
not a situation.
See, I can assure you
Huh.
that I will not jump. I would not have jumped, and I will not jump even if elected this time.
Alex cannot jump also.
No, Alex cannot jump is maybe because of my size.
No, but you have been a sincere, honest politician with the Congress party. आज तुका दिलेली जाल्यार ह्या सिच्युएशन येवचें नासलें तेन्ना झालेलें
हांव
जाल्यार.
सांगूंक शकना. I would not.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm
I would
saying.
not defect.
Personally, you would have not
I would
defected.
not have defected.
So you would have been there only, no? At
I
least
would have
10
remained-
achcha nalle,
I would
no
have
opinion.
remained with the Congress party.
Okay.
And maybe I could have influenced some of the chaps who jumped, not to jump. But,
Not to jump out of
but
10.
I can't give you assurance that
Okay.
they would listen to me. No.
Okay, how is the situation now as far as earlier it was Lotoli, now it is Nuve constituency. So how is the situation now as far as when you talk about election strategy or election contest
This
is?
is Nuven constituency is 100% Congress constituency.
Okay.
We will have to work. You can't take the voter for granted.
Hmm.
We will definitely have to work.
Hmm.
But Congress does stand a chance in Nuven constituency.
But how can you convince people, those who are saying, आम्ही एका चान्स दिलो काँग्रेसान जिखून हाडला आनी आयज उडकी मारली? That mark is there.
Alesh Sikher उडी मारलो ना.
Alexan न्हू, काँग्रेस
आत
MLA.
तूं उलयता अलेश सिकेरा कडेन
Ah.
तूं सांगता फाल्यां तुका तिकीट दिल जाल्यार ओके तूं उडी मारतलो ना म्हणून हांव उडी मारपा
पण तूं उडी मारपा ना पण तुमगे काँग्रेस आमदार उडी मारलेली न्हू.
काँग्रेस आमदार आतां तुमी सगळे काँग्रेस उडी मार म्हणटा आतां तूं सांग म्हाका गोंयान आपाचो आमदार ना
No. पंजाब.
म्हणटकूच एक एग्जाम्पल तुका दाखोवपाक एक एग्जाम्पल दिवपाक एक एग्जाम्पल ना म्हजे
But
पूण पंजाबान कितें जालें तें तूं म्हाका सांग
correct.
गोंया बीजेपी सरकार आसा हो बीजेपी पक्ष आसा फाटल्या तेंपान तुमी सांगाय म्हाका बीजेपी आमदार काँग्रेसीन येयलो नाय आनी आतां परतून गेलो नाय बीजेपीन
So it is a give and take,
नो इट इज नॉट अ गिव्ह एंड टेक इट इज द इंडिविजुअल
individual
It is
decision.
individual.
Decision.
इट इज इंडिविजुअल
No, but it affects your party, no, sir.
That is precisely why I am saying the party, I am sure this time, will be very cautious while giving tickets. You see, once bitten, twice shy,
Ah.
as the saying goes.
Party won't make a decision, such decisions like this again.
I believe the party will seriously look into the, maybe if I put it, the character of the candidate.
How do you see the situation of the Congress party at the
Congress
moment?
party will rule the state from 2022
But
for
how,
5
sir?
years.
How, sir? Because your place is, our house is not in order.
You are saying, we know what we are doing. We
Lot
have,
of-
we have undertaken the exercise.
So much confidence?
100%. I will ask you another question. In the past, has the All India Congress Committee ever sent observers to Goa so well in advance?
This is because
The
people.
Congress party's tradition is to send observers 1-2 months before the election.
Ah,
This is the first time we have observers coming in and out of Goa 1 year before.
ah.
You may tell me they've done nothing. You may tell me you may ask me what have they done. I don't think we have to go to the media to tell what is our strategy.
It's
what
not.
we are
It's
doing.
not a question of going to the media.
It
But
is.
it is coming to know
We-
what exactly it is
we-
going on.
We don't have to. We don't
Okay,
have to
when
I
you-
will ask you: is BJP telling you all what is their strategy?
It's not a question of BJP telling or Congress telling.
You imagine. I was reading the papers today. My friend Mr. Tanawade has said was the president of Goa BJP. We will not give 4 to 5 tickets in one family.
Okay.
His question was what? Are you going to give 2 tickets? But he has nicely got away from it and said,
What Congress has to say on such type of issues? 4
On
or
what
5
type of
tickets.
issues?
Oh, Congress will give only 1 ticket to a family.
I'm too small a fry to tell you about it.
No, but you also.
I definitely
You also a
believe-
senior leader.
No, I'm not a senior leader. Senior leader, you all are making me.
Ah.
I genuinely believe that they will not repeat family Raj and all what we've had in the past. We've had issues regarding family Raj.
So you feel Congress have learned from their mistakes?
100%. I'm telling you, we have learned from our mistakes. We have definitely learned.
What you have to say about another thing is that every now and then they have been saying like Why not Congress giving youth maximum chances? And only there are certain seniors who rule
No,
this
no, I
party.
will ask you another way. What makes you feel Congress is not giving the youth? We have on record, our PCC president, Mr. Girish Chodankar, saying that majority tickets will be given to new faces. He said, so who are the new faces? New faces definitely will be the youth.
No announcement or nothing. Why they are always
The Congress party has never announced candidates well in advance.
well in advance?
Never
And
announced.
that's why delay, and that's why then there's
No,
the
they
issue.
don't delay. It is part of our strategy.
Part of a strategy.
100%.
Okay, how many seats you are forming the government? You say full about 21 or what it is?
Around 21.
21.
No, why 21? Maybe more than 21. If we want a clear majority.
No
There will be
alliance.
more.
You feel?
Boss, regarding alliance, I can't speak. Regarding alliance, I'm telling you.
No. Your general opinion.
No. Those are decisions that will be taken by ISIS. They're not going to be taken locally. The party locally, the local bodies may recommend, may suggest, but ultimate decisions will come from Delhi.
Okay, the local MLA seems to be saying that I have gone and joined BJP from Congress to BJP because of development. Your take on that?
See, at the end of the day, people are the best judges.
Yeah.
People will judge what development you have done.
What do you feel?
I am unfortunately in a constituency where the MLA is a congressman. So he has not jumped for development. He is doing whatever he can. Reginald is doing whatever he can. We are happy. We are content with him.
So you are happy with what he has done?
100%. We are content. That is why we've been voting him. 3 terms we have voted for him.
What I am talking about, the constituency where you are trying to contest.
I have not gone to see what development work is happening because I can't see much development having taken place.
You seems to be confusing. I am not talking about regional. I am talking about.
I am telling you
Baba
that
Sahib.
I am telling you as far as Nuvai constituency
correct.
is concerned that I cannot see much development having taken place.
He has said that I have gone from Congress to BJP for development because in
So
staying
I
in-
am telling you that you see, being a voter from Kulturi constituency, I find it difficult to judge. His voters will judge, whether whatever he has done, whether there's any development that he has done, putting a thin layer of tar on the road is not development. Is that development? You tell me.
Okay.
Then I can't say anything else.
अनेक इशू म्हणटा पळय तो देर आर नंबर ऑफ कॉन्टेस्ट देर आर नंबर ऑफ people for claiming that I would contest, he would contest. How do you see this whole
First-
jugglers?
See, it's like this. It is everybody's right.
Uh,
It is everybody's right to have an ambition. Just as I said, if the party gives me the ticket, I will contest. Similarly, there are so many people like me aspiring all over Goa for tickets. End of the day, let us not forget, we are all congressmen. And because we are congressmen, we are seeking a Congress ticket.
what
I am
if
sure, as I have said, for example, I will not contest
party
if the
doesn't
party
give it?
doesn't give me a ticket. Similarly, I am sure that is the view of the others.
What do you have to say about Mickey making certain statements on you, saying that I will revamp the whole party, I am contesting?
Mickey, to the best of my knowledge, I have not seen any statement against me per se.
He said you had made an announcement of retirement and suddenly
No,
retired.
that is all okay. I have
retired.
told you, I had gone to sleep. I told you, I admitted, I have not hidden the fact. I have told you also why I got out. It was just because Mr. Shantaram Naik, the then PCC president, requested me. So I came out. Unfortunately, he's not alive today,
No, but
so
is
that
it
you
okay?
can go and confirm.
Mickey also said that he will revamp the whole Congress party. He will put
See, boss,
all these things.
I do not
Not
know.
being a member.
I do
or-
not know who has empowered Mickey to do all that. Okay. I was with Mr. Girish Chodankar yesterday. There was that anti-fuel price rise mocha. And there a reporter asked him, what do you have to say? Mickey has said this, that. His reply was very simple. He says, nobody has spoken to me. I am not in touch with Mickey. Mickey is not in touch with me. Mickey claims to be dealing with All India Congress Committee directly. So he says, I have no idea.
No, but
so
if-
if the PCC president says he has no idea, Do you expect Ali Sikwara to know something?
No, but what happens if tomorrow Mickey joins? He would also claim for a ticket in Nuben. Then what happens?
High Command will decide. High Command will decide.
You are confident that you will get the ticket.
I am not confident. I told you, once bitten, twice shy.
Ah.
Last time I thought I would get the ticket, I didn't get the ticket.
No, but is it okay for you that Mickey joins even in the Congress
Sir,
party?
more the merrier. More the merrier.
It won't affect you.
On the contrary, he may help me.
Okay.
He's got some people in the constituency.
Okay.
So both the forces joined together will be stronger.
But at the same time, when you talk about all these things, when you support him joining Congress and all, he has himself made a statement on you, sir.
On me?
Yeah.
I have not read. Honestly, I have not read. You may think I am trying to hit around because you are asking me. No, I have not read.
So you don't have a problem, Mickey joining.
I've read one statement where he said, I will contest from Benauli and my wife will contest from Kortali.
Yeah.
I read
Not from
another-
Lube.
One second. I read another statement where he said Nube and Benauli. I read another statement where he said Nube.
Hmm.
So I don't know which statement is correct. We'll wait and watch. And as he says, he's joining the party in Delhi.
With 3,000 supporters.
No, 3,000 supporters is not possible because to go to take 3,000 to Delhi is not possible. But if he's joining in Delhi, that means he's highly connected there,
Influenced.
highly influenced. So everybody you hear of being admitted here, maximum the AICC observer may come. It is just here.
Sir, in the few days, another thing was that when you talk about change of leadership in Congress party, your name was also figuring in that. What you have to say?
Let me clarify. I've read my name in the newspapers. I've read my name on TV channels, various channels. Yeah, I've heard my name. I have not been approached by anybody, including Mr. Gundurao, to say take over PCC or anything like that. No proposal has come to me. So I do not know where this is coming. Nor have I said I would like to be PCC president. Because along with the post, I know there is a lot of responsibility. Along with the post comes a lot of hard work. So, given a chance, I would like to slip out and stay miles away from that position.
You don't want to take it up.
No, it's not an easy position.
Ah.
It's not an easy position.
Ah.
You see, it's very easy to say, I am the PCC president. I am
But
this,
you
I am
never
that.
showed your inclination
No, I
towards
am
it.
not.
The way
No,
it
you
was
have not
highlighted.
heard. I have not gone campaigning.
But if given a chance,
I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm not in a position to.
you will accept or not accept?
I'm not in a position to give you a straight answer.
Okay.
I'm not in a position because I have not thought about it.
But do you
And
think
the reason I'm telling you because nobody has approached me.
nobody has
Nobody
approached?
has approached me. Nobody has approached me.
No, but do you feel at this moment the party needs a change before the upcoming assembly?
I believe the party should resolve the issue once and for all. Mr. Girish Chorankar has submitted his resignation. I believe the party should either accept it or reject it. You see, and put to rest that
All
confusion.
things correct.
This is what I feel the party should do.
How soon? Because 4-5 months are there, sir. You say your party takes decision, your central leaders take decision at the right time. But even though candidates or people are confused, what is going on in the party? What is your clarity on that?
Unfortunately, there have been many issues that have, if I may say, created obstacles, in the smooth running. For example, our desk in charge, Mr. Gundurao, Dinesh Gundurao, he was down with COVID. His family was affected
Yeah.
with COVID. Okay? His dear mother expired due to COVID-19. Then he was in charge of elections in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. So that took his time. Then all that got over, he was supposed to come to Goa. Goa was buzzing with COVID second wave.
Correct.
So he's a human being also. You see, whatever we may say many things, but the fact is, in view of the conditions here, I assume they delayed his coming here. So these factors may be also responsible for delaying this decision.
You also feel, but you feel that there needs to be a change
I feel the issue has to be resolved.
about this resignation.
Yes.
Whether accept it,
Accept it or reject
reject
it.
it.
If this, you see, today, as you rightly said, people are confused. Once this confusion is cleared, then we know we have to work with you.
Okay.
And let's move.
Hmm.
Let's go ahead. Remember, Congress party, and I think this is applicable to any party, as it grows, there are bound to be conflict of interest. There are bound to be differences of opinion.
Hmm.
Yes, there may be. Even today there may be differences of opinion in the party. But let's not forget, this type of a scenario has been prevailing even in the years gone by.
Hmm.
But when it came to war, when it came to fight an election, these differences are forgotten.
Okay.
And we go as one. It's like you take a family. There are so many brothers in a family. They don't see eye to eye. But when it comes to fight an outsider,
They are together.
they are together and they fight that fellow. That is the Congress party.
Sardin openly charging against Girish.
But
Even
that's-
Regina.
No, that's why I said it's difference of opinion. They believe that the party will fare much better if the PCC president is changed. So that is their opinion.
What is your opinion?
My opinion, as I said, the issue has to be resolved once and for all. Except resignation, appoint whomever they want.
How sooner it should be?
The sooner the better.
Because you are coming close to elections.
The sooner the better. No, even forget, leave aside elections.
Ah.
In any circumstance, why the confusion? Accept the resignation if
Because
you
of
want, or
your-
reject the resignation if you
They
want.
have been saying from people saying that because of your party inside confusions, BJP has an advantage.
You want to say there is no confusion in BJP?
But not confusions like this.
Why? Who tells you?
There's a news. There's a
What news? You take how many of the ex-MLAs, ex-ministers, ex-chief ministers demanding tickets?
demanding tickets.
Then that is not confusion. You, and I'm telling you,
Ah.
this is bound to happen in any party as you grow.
So party is growing.
As the party grows, automatically, you see, it is like an ocean.
Hmm.
That ocean has got streams, rivers, everything coming into it.
Hmm.
So, one of the rivers is confusion.
This confusion affects you all?
See, it affects and does not affect.
Ah.
As I said, today there is confusion in the party because of this presidency, for example. As I said, there are many aspirants for the ticket.
Ah.
So that also creates confusion. You see, Alex Sipara wonders, am I getting the ticket? So it's confusion in my mind. So like this, as the election day comes, all this automatically is pushed on the side.
So one more thing we would like to know: should Congress go for along with alliance or alone? Like you say,
See,
Congress will form the
see,
majority.
Vijay Sardesai, if you are, that is what you are trying to hit at. Vijay is a personal friend of mine.
Okay.
I would love to work with Vijay.
So you
I would love to work with Vijay.
So Congress should have an alliance with Goa Forward.
But as I said earlier, that the High Command will decide.
Yeah, but what is your personal opinion?
My personal opinion is my friend, and
He
I
is
would
a-
like to work with my friends.
So I'm asking straightforward.
I am also answering
Congress,
straightforward.
Goa Forward alliance.
No,
it's,
yes.
you cannot say that
No,
I have a
no,
friend
no,
and
no,
I have to
no,
work
no,
with a friend.
No.
It's election
No,
time,
no,
sir.
listen to me, boss. As far as alliance is concerned, right at the outset I said that.
You give your opinions, no, sir.
My opinion is very simple. He's my friend. I would like to work with him.
Okay. So you are telling me it in another way, not straightforward.
No, I'm not telling you nothing. That's what you think.
Okay. Is it only with Vijay Sardesai or you also want to see it with
Boss, I've got so many friends.
Sudhin
I've got-
Davlikar.
I've got Sudhin Davlikar there also. Sudhin is a personal friend of mine.
Okay.
Vijay is a personal friend of mine.
Any more
And
personal
if
friends?
No, I've got a lot of friends in BJP also.
Ah.
Why not?
No, but you won't name them.
Whom in BJP?
Yeah.
I've got so many friends. Milind Naik.
Yeah.
Milind Naik, when I was Youth Congress president of Goa, Milind Naik was my
No, but-
president of Maramagua block.
No, but the way
I enjoy the best relationship with Babu Kaulekar.
but the way you
even
want
today,
but
even
the,
there, even
but the
today.
but the way you want to work with Vijay Sardesai, you would like to work with them.
Given a chance, why not?
That means Congress and BJP.
It is not possible. It's not possible.
Ah,
It's not
you know-
possible.
you know that.
I know that.
But it's possible with Vijay.
Listen, I'll tell you honestly. I have maintained relationship with, I would say, individuals, whether you are here or there. For example, I have, to my record, being a very close friend of Manoj Parikar. I mean, that the whole world knows.
So, but
And
seriously,
I had very high respect for him. Even, I mean, though he's not alive, I hold him in very high esteem.
Oh,
I definitely hold Manohar Parrikar in high esteem. And I can't deny it. Okay? I've got, so, like you take Vishwajit Rani. He's also a personal friend of mine. We work together, boss.
yeah.
Just because you have jumped that side, you don't become my enemy.
I have not spoken about enemy.
So these are my personal friends.
So, but you seriously, let's be serious on this alliance should be there or not, you feel?
I don't know.
No, central leaders will take a decision.
I'm telling
Your
you,
opinion.
My opinion is I would like to work with Vijay Sardesai.
Ah,
But decisions will be taken by the High Command.
High Command.
Yes.
Okay. And all these things. How can, one more thing is that how
If
can,
you want me to go more clearer, I would definitely suggest. If you can, let's work with
Vijay Sardesai.
Yes, why not?
okay. One more thing is, then do you believe that confusions between Girish and Vijay creates a problem
No,
in
I
working
don't
with-
think, boss. I think Girish is a leader who will rise above the occasion.
And so he will understand this now?
If tomorrow the High Command decides,
Ah,
he will accept it.
he has to accept it.
He doesn't have to. He will.
He will
necessarily
accept it.
accept it.
Ah. So things are working out in that way.
Things, I don't know whether they are working out because I have not taken any proposal or given any proposal to anybody. Vijay has not approached me, okay? Nor has Girish approached me. Nor has Mr. Kundura told me to please speak to Vijay or anything. Nobody has approached me.
No, but in future, sir, since these elections are coming closer and all, do you seriously feel or something that Congress should have alliance with any of the party? I'm not talking about simple party or certain like-minded parties.
But as I said, that I would leave to the High Command. Okay, number
Your
one.
opinion, sir.
My personal opinion, we definitely could look at it.
Okay, leaving aside all these things, how would you go forward in front of people and answer all those questions which people like to answer, like about 10 MLAs jumping?
See,
How would you
I think
give an
I think regarding the 10 MLAs,
तेजेर तू विश्वास कहो लोकांक हाडटलो
but
तो सगळो
regarding 10 MLAs, आमगे पार्टीचे वडील पळय
हा.
गुरुराव जावन गिरीश जावन म्हणून they have openly declared
They have openly declared.
10 जाणांक आमी भितो घेवपा ना 10 जाणांक आमी तिकीट दिवपा ना
हय.
दुसरे
दुसरे कोण येता
दुसरे
पळय
हांव सांगतो हे 10 जाण जर तो दुसरे पक्षान गेले वी विल नॉट टच दॅट पार्टी
Correct.
ओके सो रिगार्डिंग दिस 10 इट इज क्लियर
नेय कोण येता पळय नेया कोणाक तिकेट दिता ते उडकी मारना जावप
हांवें स्टार्टिंगाक सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन द पार्टी विल बी एक्स्ट्रीमली कॉशियस एज टू whom they give tickets. Beyond that, in
देव
God
जाणे.
we trust.
God will trust. Okay, sir. And finally, the last question I will have. You have been meeting. How has been the response from people when they see you back in action?
Response is good. That's why I hope.
That's why you hope.
If the response was not good, I would be hugging my pillow at home.
And how do you see the performance of the BJP-led government here at the moment in the last 5 years?
I don't know. I believe performance has not been too good.
Not been good. No development.
No development, no this, no that. You will see the way people have suffered due to COVID.
Yeah.
People have suffered. You see, you can't deny the fact that people have suffered. And trust me, you see, you and I, by the grace of God, we are lucky. We were not struck by it. But I have seen families finished.
Finished.
Father, mother dead, children there. Only earning father dead, only earning member of the family is like. So the hardships are there. Hardships are there. Unfortunately, because of that oxygen issue, which I still can't believe that there were deaths due to lack of oxygen. It's a shame on anyone that due to such a thing as oxygen, people die because of COVID, fine, but not because of supply of oxygen, because of failure in supply of oxygen.
What is the number you are giving for Congress party if in the coming election?
We will form the next government with a clear majority. It will be a clear mandate of the people to the party. And if the party fails after that, that is the end of the party. So the party has to pull up their socks and bloody well work properly.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time.
Welcome.